flavors here and abroad. You've seen him as a judge on Top Chef, Pinoy Edition, and Stars Under Pressure, and featured on shows like Street Food Around the World in Nat Geo, Master Chef Philippines, and The Amazing Food Challenge. Alongside with him is Chef Jack Laudico, a celebrated pastry chef admired for her creativity and artistry in desserts and for championing Filipino-inspired flavors with a modern twist. So together, Chefs Lau and Chef Jack have become proud ambassadors of Filipino cuisine, sharing our rich culinary heritage both on the local and global stages. So join me in giving a round of applause to Chef Lau and Chef Jack of Guevara. And now, we are waiting for them. It's my honor to introduce our culinary couple. So we have two couples over here today, no? So our culinary couple from Melbourne, Australia, Chef Mark Nakua and Chef Princess Anne Uy. Chef Mark Nakua has made waves on the global stage, placing top 7 in the World Food Championship dessert category in Indianapolis, USA. And he was crowned dessert champion in 2024 at the World Food Championship Australia. Woo! With over 15 years of experience at Crown Casino Melbourne, working across outlets like JJ's, Sante Buffet, Conservatory, and Room Service, he now continues his craft at Dinata in-flight catering. He is a graduate with Certificate 3 in cookery. Chef Mark has proven his mastery in both sweet and savory, proudly showcasing Filipino-Australian talent worldwide. Alongside with him is Chef Princess Anne Uy, an award-winning Filipino-Australian chef, culinary influencer, and leader in the food industry. With more than a decade of experience, she has curated 6 to 8 food brands for Delaware North and at Marvel Stadium, serving up diverse cuisines to as many as 60,000 patrons during the AFL seasons. And concerts by, listen to this, concerts by Coldplay, Luke Combs, and Pearl Jam. International talaga si Chef. Oh yeah, diba? She has catered to world icons such as Arnold Schwarzenegger, Adele, Nicki Minaj, Justin Bieber, K-pop artists, and tennis legends like Rafael Nadal, Novak Djokovic, Roger Federer, and the Williams sisters. How about a round of applause? She has also worked with global culinary masters including Nobu Matsuhisa and Michelin-starred Japanese chefs. Among her many accolades are Silver Knife Bocuse d'Or Australia National 2025 and second place in seafood at the World Food Championship in Indianapolis 2024. Currently, she is the executive sous chef at the Marvel Stadium. Imagine, Chef Princess is part of the Marvel Universe. Part pala ni Chef Princess ng Marvel Universe. So together, this dynamic duo continues to raise the flag of Filipino excellence in the global culinary scene. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to our World Food Champions, Chef Mark Nakua and Chef Princess Anne. Now it's time to get cooking, no? So si Chef Princess will showcase her umami lechon with Chef Lau's Poki Poki. I'm very excited to try the umami lechon. I've heard a lot of good feedback about it. Lechon, by itself, masarap na yung lechon, di ba? Pero yung umami lechon, we are very curious to experience that. So, Chef Lau, over to you.
Alright, so excited ba kayo lahat? Makita yung umami lechon? So, Chef Princess. Si Chef Princess muna unahin natin. So, ano ba yung inspiration mo dito sa umami lechon na to?
So, pag magko-compete ako, I always make sure to highlight Filipino taste. Kasi we are Filipino and iba talaga yung dating ng, ng Filipino. Yeah. So sa lahat ng competition namin, we make sure that there's a touch of Filipino taste. So one of my winning taste is the lechon. Actually, I presented it like a cuchinillo. Yeah. And then we cook it in the charcoal. Kaya later magkakaroon tayo ng charcoal.
Yes. Iba talaga lasa ng uli, diba?
Yes. And then now it's a representation kasi we cannot make it like a cuchinillo. We will make it like a pork belly roll. And then why naging umami? Kasi ano ko, specialty is more on Japanese and Filipino cuisine.
I like it.
Yeah. So umami means savory. It's another like taste.
Yes.
Natin. So from sweet, bitter, salty,
Guys,
we have umami.
umami, hindi dahil nilagyan ng MSG na yun. Actually, umami is a natural ingredient that is present in many ingredients actually. So, kami, yung advocacy namin is we only use fresh ingredients, which is fresh umami, natural umami. Iba yung umami na artificially made. Alam niyo na kung ano yun. Hindi ko napapagitin.
Yes.
Yung mga...
Sarap
Hindi kami marunong mag-magic.
Yeah, pero masarap lang.
Pero marunong kayo mag-sarap.
Yes. So, sa...
Okay, so anong gagawin natin ngayon? Ano?
Right. So,
Do you need help from Sweetheart, Mark?
from Sweetheart? My
Sweetheart,
sweetheart, where are you?
calling.
Mag-asawa po kami ni Mark.
Actually, natutuwa ako kasi the first time we met Mark and Princess, hindi namin akalain na mag-asawa din sila. Katulad namin ni Chef Jack, di ba? So natutuwa ako. And ang galing-galing nila. We're so proud of you guys. Okay,
Para
so
lang po kami magkapatid.
anong first step natin
Okay. So,
Chef Princess?
ano nito, ang composition is pork belly.
Okay.
And because we are working in a restaurant, we want zero waste sa restaurant.
Tama.
Yes. So, lahat ng mga wastage natin or scrap from asparagus, kung magamit yun asparagus, broccoli, cabbage, onion, celery, onion, spring onion, lahat ng mga pampasarap, we need to use Nutribullet.
Yes.
Yes. To bleed everything and yun yung magpapasarap sa pork belly.
So, basically yung mga vegetables, aromatics na scrap, pwede siyang huwag itapon na. Diba? Pwede siyang gamitin ulit. And yun yung gagamitin ni Chef Princess to actually flavor yung award-winning lechon niya. Alright.
So this one have onion, carrots,
Yes.
garlic, ginger, lemongrass.
Importante yung lemongrass sa lechon Pinoy. Siguro nung kinain nila yung lechon mo,
Grabe.
gulat sila.
Kulat sila.
Diba?
Pati yung judge kasi, yung judge is Australian. So nung natikman niya parang, sarap nito ah.
Yes.
Kakaiba sa pagkaroon ng roll.
Okay, so we just put everything in
Yeah. So what we...
welcome the mom and dad of Chef Princess.
Yeah, my dad.
Yes.
Grand
Good day dahil sa inyo, wala si Chef Princess.
Love. Alright, so we just need to mix everything here. And then again, we will not make it a puree. Parang ano lang siya, blitz. Kasi we want na meron pa rin siya buo-buo.
Oh, so the reason why you're doing this is para ma-release pa yung mga flavor.
Mga flavors.
Pero ayaw mo siyang dudurugin in such a way na
Parang
masawa na
puree
siya,
na.
puree na. Okay.
So we want this. Normally, ang lechon kasi, yung buong string ng lemongrass or buo,
Oo, di ba? Buo yung ilalagay.
Yeah.
Di ba? May mga dahon pa.
So minsan di na natin nakakain. This one is edible. You can eat it until dun sa last piece ng meat.
Wow! So, di na siya pampalasa. You
Pwede
can
pa siyang-
actually eat it together with the lechon.
Yes.
Oh,
So later,
that's
kapag
great.
tinikman nila chef, pwede nilang i-mix sa rice.
By the way, guys, kung yung demo namin ngayon, it will be available starting tonight. At kayo ang unang-unang makatikim. Diba? Although nakatikim na sila Vice Mayor tsaka sila ano, pero kayo yung makakatikim na lang.
And then, we just need to put oil.
Yes. Very important. Yung oil kasi, sa luto, hindi lang siya para nagpiprito kayo or nagsosote kayo or ano, para hindi lang siya dumikit sa pan. Ano. Oil is actually very important because oil is a, kumbaga, releaser and dun ina-absorb yung mga flavors ng ingredients natin.
Yeah, and we need to make sure na no water. Para pag nilagay nyo siya sa pork belly, yung mismong moisture ng pork belly lang ang magiging water.
Ah, wow.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, this is a very, very unique ingredient.
Yes.
Ano to? Ano to?
So this is
Chef?
kelp.
Kelp.
It's a Japanese seaweed. You can buy it anywhere in the grocery store, Asian grocery store.
Okay. So ano yan? Parang dried pa siya?
Dried siya, and then you just need to rehydrate it.
In water?
In water. Either mga 10 minutes or kung malimit lang 10 minutes. Pero kung ano, overnight is okay. And then you chop into pieces. And then you put inside.
Why are you using kelp or dried seaweed?
So, ay makakakuha ng flavor ng umami.
Ah.
That's why, you know, Japanese already started the word umami.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga pagkain ng Japanese are based
Okay.
like yung ramen, miso soup.
Yes. Wow.
So, next thing is
Yan. Napaka-high-tech na
napaka-high-tech
tribullet
na
natin.
Yes.
Parang siyang spaceship yung itsura niya.
Yeah. Pang ano siya, pang heavy duty na.
Oh.
That's right.
Tapos pulse lang.
Yan. Oh, ano yun? Oh. Yan. Galing kung ilaw-ilaw pa siya.
Parang spaceship na yan.
Adi pa na.
Yan. Mas alam yata ni Chef Joe. Nagagamit lang namin ito kung may demo kami. Dito. Wala kasi kami sa bahay nito eh. Di ba kami binibigyan ni
Nutribullet.
Nutribullet. Wars? Nasa ka ba Wars?
Nutribullet. Back na naman.
Oh, score 5.
Naka-lock na ba?
Hey Siri.
Dito siguro. Yan. Yun. Hindi. Yan. And then. Oh, di ba? Galing ko, no? That's the pulse. Yan. Yes. So pulse lang. Easy lang.
Huwag lang natin siyang gagawing parang beer juice na.
Oo.
Lagyan mo pa ng oil.
Yeah, let's
Put more oil.
So the oil will absorb all those nice flavors na nilagay ni Chef Princess, including the seaweed, kelp. Diba?
So,
Okay,
after
so-
natin siya ma-blend.
Yes.
Ang high-tech
That's
na,
okay.
no?
That's okay.
Yan, okay.
Oo, kasi baka matulog mo siya.
Yeah. So,
So, ang result niyan is this. Diba, medyo green siya because medyo dark green yung kelp.
yes.
And then may nilagay din kayong green onions ba?
Green onions. Anything green sa kitchen nyo, pwede
Oo.
nyo siyang lagay. And carrots.
Yes.
Pero hindi na tayo pwede maglagay ng mga eggplant kasi medyo
no.
ano na yun.
Use vegetables na
Smell.
on the aromatic side.
Smells.
Okay.
The umami.
Yeah.
Papanong-amoy. So anong gagawin natin dito,
So,
Chef Princess?
We have the whole belly here.
Wow. Gusto mo half lang? Gawin natin. Parang kakasya ba sa
Okay. So when we do the pork belly, kailangan tuyo siya.
Yes.
Para ma-absorb niya yung meron din tayong
So ngayon,
powder.
hindi lang, di ba usually ang lechon natin, yung mga lemongrass na ito. Ito, Chef Princess went a step further. May rub pa siya gagawin. Spice rub.
So combination siya ng barbecue sa US kasi na-learn ko chef nung unang laban ko.
Oh wow,
Sa,
saan ka sa US mo na nag-compete?
sa Texas.
Wow,
Yeah,
the
naglanded.
home of the barbecue in the world.
Yes. Tapos,
Nanalo siya doon.
nanalo ako na
Oh my God, tinalo
fifth
yung mga
place.
ano. Wow.
Yes. So, na-find out ko na yung rub pala is more on powder. Doon silang malakas
powder.
magbigay ng taste.
Yes.
So, it's a combination ng rub, wet, and dry.
Wet and dry. So, ito yung wet and dry.
Yes.
Galing. So, ibang klase talaga si Chef Princess. So, ano yung spice rub na dry mo?
Sa spice rub, we have black pepper,
Okay.
white sugar,
Okay.
garlic,
Okay.
bay leaf,
Okay.
rock salt,
Okay.
onion powder,
Onion
and
powder.
ginger.
Oh,
So,
ginger din. Okay.
Pretty much it's the same as the umami taste.
Wow.
Pero
And
may
then
salt.
you have this unique ingredient na kulay
Yan.
pink. Anyone have any idea kung ano tong pink na to? What is it?
It's a curing
Yes, pink salt
pink salt.
or curing salt. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa mga ham,
Yes.
bacon,
So,
mga...
kaya siya medyo kakaiba. Yung lechon niya
Okay.
may twist na gagawin natin siyang cured.
And meron din siyang ano,
Bay leaf.
bay leaf. So, paano to? Yung bay leaf, buo mo lang siya lalagay? Or...
Everything we need to put in a blender.
So i-blend lahat,
Sa lahat
pati
na
yung
to.
dahon ng laurel.
Yes. Yun
Wow!
ang secret.
Okay.
Dun sa ano ko, ito talaga yung pinaka-secret kasi usually pag nagluto tayo, nilalagay lang natin siya as a leaf. But if you grind this, the power is more strong.
Wow! Simple niyo yun. So next time kayo mag-adobo,
Ganyan na rin ito.
turugin niyo
I-blend
yung
nyo na din.
turugin niyo at lalabas lalo yung
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I love it. So after you do that, ito na
Ito
siya.
magiging your result.
Okay, so I want to pass this to our media friends and I want you guys to smell this. Kasi bango eh, kakaiba eh. Yes. Yes. Diba? Naamoy nyo ba yung bay leaf na naturo? Diba? Diba? Very, ang tapang ng amoy. Diba? Diba? Gusto yung amoy eh? Amoy lang ha, huwag yung singleton. Diba? So no wonder why... Teka, question. Why are you using the pink salt? Doon ako curious. But
Yes.
usually tayo, normal salt lang eh. Ba't ganun gumagamit ng curing salt?
So, normally kasi yung pork is matigas. No? Fresh and frozen.
Medyo matigas.
Ang texture talaga is matigas.
Firm,
So,
matigas.
curing will help us to make it soft. Even, but you need to wait it until like 6 hours minimum. So, what we're gonna do, kaya pag later nakita niyo yung pork belly or yung lechon sa buffet, it's color pink. Don't worry, it's cooked. You will,
Yes.
you will see it na very soft
Para siyang lechon at ham.
ham na pinag-combine.
Diba? Pero, you're not naman putting so much curing salt.
No.
Just enough
Para lang mag-cure kung ilan yung, kunyari, 5 kilo lang to, we put enough for 5 kilo. Kasi the more you put it, nakakalasa ng curing salt.
Oh,
Yes.
Bit bad.
A little bit bad for you, but yeah. So, meron pa pala ako isang secret ingredients dito.
yes, ano yan?
It's a miso paste.
Ayun!
Yes, so miso paste,
Miso
tsaka
paste pala,
kombu.
tama.
Yeah, so yun ang ating
Wow.
mga secret. It helps to cure.
Oo. Napansin ko, you mix a lot of Japanese influence also with the Filipino flavors.
Yes.
I love doing that also. Marami akong mga degustation tasting na I mix Japanese with Pinoy or French with Pinoy. Basta nandun yung Pinoy flavors. Yun yung
Yes.
importante.
So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is,
Ano to? Parang binutterfly mo?
yes, so we need to butterfly the
Wow, bagong
pork.
technique to.
Yeah.
Butterfly.
Para ma-roll natin siya properly. And
Okay.
binibigay ko na lahat ng secret ng ano.
And di lang yun, you're not just seasoning it from the outside, also from the inside.
Everything is inside siya.
Nanip naman.
Yeah. So, we just need to put like, nagra-wrap kayo. So,
Napansin ko, ang taas na lagay mo pa yung pataas.
para we'll
Salt bay.
distribute.
Salt bay.
Salt bay.
Oo, ganyan, dapat
Yan,
mataas.
ganyan, yan. Herb Bay tayo ngayon. Herb Bay.
Additional flavor
Yeah. Yan. So, we just need to make sure na lahat sila merong spice.
Yes.
Yan.
So you don't wanna overdo it naman?
No. We don't want to overdo it kasi yung ano natin may salt. Then, we will put
Yan na yung with the kelp and miso paste.
Yes. So, you just need to spread a little bit dito sa gitna.
Galing.
You can do this one.
Dami ko natututunan kay Chef Princess.
Yeah. Something new.
Oo.
Kasi sa Australia talaga, pag ano, kailangan very innovative ka.
Oo.
Kasi yung diverse ng culture, napakalaki. Okay, so, we just need to put a little bit like this. Kasi sobrang lasa na to. And then we will start to roll.
Oh, wow!
So, ito yung magpapalaman sa loob siya.
Ang galing naman ng style niya yan. And then,
Tapos,
wow!
So, mapapansin nyo, lahat ng powder natin, ng spice, nandyan sa loob.
Galing! Galing!
Ang ganda ng pagka-close niya, di ba?
Oo.
Ganyan. Tapos, tataliin na natin siya.
Perfect.
Yan. Perfect roll na.
So dahil sa'yo, Chef Princess, ganyan na rin gagawin ko sa mga belichon natin. Di ba?
Yeah. And, always come to Guevara, matitikman nyo to.
Yes.
Yes.
For the whole month of September until maybe October, kung talagang hit na hit, why not,
Yeah.
di ba? If you feature natin yung champion
Dish.
Belly Lechon ni Chef Princess.
Yes.
Okay, so ngayon itatali na natin.
Itatali natin.
Okay, I'd like to call our master griller and lechonero,
Yes.
Mang Jose!
Mang
Palakpakan
Jose!
si Mang Jose! Mang Jose! Mang Jose! Iba kanta yun, Mang Jose?
Opo.
Diba?
Alright. So,
Okay,
usually,
so interview kita Mang Jose ha. Mang Jose, alam mo si Mang Jose, isa sa mga original ko na chefs ko na matagal na sa akin. Mang Jose, gano'n ka nakatagal sa nagtatrabaho with us, Mang Jose?
30 years? 30?
Akala ko 30.
Akala ko 30.
Sobra naman.
Nauna ka pa sa Guevara.
Ay. So 13 years na. Si Mang Jose is one of the first na chefs namin dito sa Guevaras. Dito na siya natutulog. Dahil
Siya po yung guard.
ganun matagal kasi mag-lechon tsaka mag-ihaw. So, pag-gising sa umaga, katabi na niya yung lechonan. Because we make our own lechon here, actually. So, wow, galing naman ang technique ni Mang Jose. Wow. So Princess,
Yes, chef.
I want to curious ako. What made you go to Australia?
Oh.
Kumbaga how old were you or how young were you nung naisipan mo mag-Australia?
I went to Australia around 24. Kasi na-inlove ako eh. Na-inlove ako.
Love can cross borders talaga, no, Chef?
Yes.
So, nag-meet kayo here o sa Australia?
Hindi, ano ko siya, childhood sweetheart.
Ha?
Nakikita
Hindi
niyo
nga.
kung gano'n katagal kami. Chef naman,
Oh my God! Hindi nga!
Yes.
As in, how old were you nung magkakilala kayo?
He's my, classmate in grade 5. Yes.
Oh my God!
Sabi niya, Chef Lau, siya yung una ko nakilala sa school. Alam mo ba sabi niya sa akin?
Ano?
Oh, best friend na kita.
Wow!
Diba?
Ang bilis mo,
Ang bilis, ha?
Isipin mo, grade 5, ang bilis mo.
Pinakuna niya agad.
Chef Mark
Yes.
ha, iba ka Chef Mark ha.
Anak ko dyan, daddy ko.
Tino si Daddy oh, sabi
Hindi
niya.
ko alam yun, ha?
Sabi niya, ngayon ko na nalaman. Grade 5 pala yung anak ko, pinagnano sa akin. Wow, that is fantastic story. So grade 5, ano nangyari after naging classmates kayo sa grade school? Naging classmates ba kayo sa high school?
Oo, naging classmate ko sa
Pati high school?
Oo, kasi yung principal yung nanay niya.
Okay. Wow.
Kasi teacher din yung
Ayun,
nanay niya.
ayun yun na.
Ito po ang ating principal. Ma'am.
Mrs. Atua is in the house. Palakpakan si Mrs. Atua. Alam na, aliw ko, it's a family event.
Yes.
Alam mo, si Mrs. natutuwa ako. Kasi napaka-cool. Tingnan nyo naman, naka-shades pa, di ba?
Yes,
Cool
na cool.
I love it.
Ayun.
Alright, so, grade school, high school, nung 20s na, nung college, ano nangyari?
So, we separate ways. Tapos,
Pumunta na.
Nag-split
Yeah.
kayo. Nag-split kayo.
nag-split kami kasi hindi siya nagpaparamdam.
Wait.
For 6 months, hindi siya nagpaparamdam. Chef Lau.
Wait, teka. Sino bang, nauna ka punta sa
No. Love story pala.
Okay, so, bakit inuwanan mo si Princess?
Yan talaga eh.
Kasi kailangan lang po na pumunta na istorya kasi.
Your family?
Yes,
Okay. So, na-heartbroken ka nun.
Na-broken ako. So, nag-separate kami. Tapos alam mo paano kami nagbalikan?
Paano?
Ito ang nakakatuwa. Minessage niya yung papa ko. After I graduated, minessage na yung daddy ko straight away.
Okay.
Pwede ko ba imbitahan si Princess papuntang Hong Kong?
Bakit sa Hong Kong? Nasa Australia siya.
Mas mura din pamasahe dun eh.
Halfway daw kasi siya.
Yes.
Walang yan. So, pinapunta mo si Princess sa Hong Kong.
Oo.
Kita kami sa Hong Kong.
Oh, diba?
Wow.
Tapos, kausap niya yung daddy ko, nagpaalam siya, pero hindi niya sabi sa akin. Tapos pagbaba ako sa daddy ko, sabi ng daddy ko, okay na, punta ka na. Oh, di ba?
Wow.
Nanligaw sa
May
daddy.
hindi po ako nagba.
Palapakan natin si Daddy kasi supportive
Yes.
si Daddy. Sir,
Kung hindi, wala kami
pero
dito.
makita ko
Nice. So, okay. So, balik tayo. Ang galing. Palapakan natin si Mang Jose.
Kasi,
Wow. Napaka-galing naman ang pagkatali mo, Mang Jose. Ikaw, Mang Jose, may asawa ka ba? Girlfriend? Meron? Ilan?
birthday kayo.
Palapakan natin si Mang Jose. Mang Jose! Mang Jose!
Kasi,
Okay, so, Chef Princess, what's the next step? Lagyan na natin ng dry rub, yung ating napaka-flavorful umami na paste.
yes.
So, what's the next step?
So, next step ito is, pour natin siya ng hot water to make it crispy.
Oh, hot water!
Yes. So, para maging tender yung
So, the hot water will contract the skin?
contract the skin and it will retain the shape.
Para hindi siya yung, para more even, hindi siya yung parang...
Hindi siya yung bubuka or something.
Hindi ko lang din natutunan. Grabe, dahil ko natutunan kay Chef Princess.
Kaya makakatulong yun
Okay.
to make sure yung shape.
So, let's say, may hot water ba tayo? Sabi natin, nabuhusan natin ng hot water to.
Then, lalagay na natin sa oven.
Wala tayong i-rub or...
Wala, kasi lahat ng ano niya nasa loob.
Okay.
Yes.
Sige. Wala tayong pampaliran na.
Okay, so pagluto nito, chef, ang una muna is low temp.
Okay.
Okay, so
When you say low temperature, mga nasa
300 Fahrenheit.
300 Fahrenheit or 150
Centigrade?
Yes.
Yes. And
Ito na yung hot water.
Oh,
Mang Jose!
Galing talaga ni Mang Jose. Okay.
Yan, sa kabila.
Yan. Kung nakikita natin, nag-contract yung skin niya. Hindi na siya ganun kapula.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Yes.
And
And then you need to make sure na pag pinasok siya sa oven, hindi siya masbo.
so, i-ano mo siya, may tissue ba tayo? Ayan, yung tissue.
Right? And you have
Yeah.
How about to you ni Chef Princess? I'd like to shout outs. Saan mo si Jericho? P-Pop Idol! First one is in the house! Woo! Where are you, P-Pop Idols? First one! Nandun siya kumakain sa buffet. Yes.
P-Pop Idol!
Hindi niya matiis yung buffet namin. We will see P-Pop in a while. Okay, so we'll put this and then...
And then we start to cook it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So, pasok na sa
Magkaroon ba
oven.
tayo ng oil na or di ba?
Not yet.
Not yet.
So, kapag after 2 hours sa 300 degrees, tsaka tayo mag-start ano na po.
Okay, sige. So, yes, our set natin to sa low. Okay. The P-Pop Idols are here! First one!
Wait naman kayo, guys.
Yes! Woo! Mamaya, pasasayawin namin kayo.
International.
Hindi. Kakain na kayo. Don't worry. Pero pagkataas yung kumain, tsaka kayo sasayaw. Alright? Kailangan may lakas eh. May lakas para sumayaw. Alright, so eto. Dahil champion itong inuto ni Chef Princess, kailangan, inisip ko, ano bang lulutuin ko? So I thought to cook something that will complement yung lechon. So, yung ingredients ko, pakilabas ko, please. Guys. Alright, so, ito naman, yung inspiration ko para sa dish ko. Sino dito mga Ilocano? Or from the north? I'm sure you know this dish. It starts with letter P. And it sounds medyo bastos. It's an Ilocano dish. May idea ba kayo?
Poke.
Oh!
There's someone here. Someone, cheek.
Tama! It's poke. Yes, who likes poke? I love poke. Okay, so I will try my best to demo to you guys while holding a mic. Hindi, meron ako naisip.
Baka mahirap ka. Ako pala yung tag.
Bagong speaker, chef.
Hindi ka mahirapan.
O, in fairness may ano ah. Rinig nyo naman, no?
Narinig niyo ako?
Yeah, okay.
Hindi kaya.
Nahulog yung mic. Para tandem kayo, ano kayo, couple versus couple.
Kailangan ko ng
Shopping
sangkala.
board.
Shopping board and ano. Okay, so the dish is poke. It's an Ilocano dish. Very simple siya. Only few ingredients. Ang main ingredient niya is
Talong.
Actually, poke is like the Ilocano version of tortang talong. Pero iba yung pagkaluto nila. Yung tortang talong kasi, yung buong talong, dinadredge sa water, sa egg, and then it cooks like an omelette, parang gano'n. Ang poke is more scrambled. Diba? Pero ito, kakaiba gagawin ko. I call this dish grilled poke salad.
Salad.
Oh.
Ano gagawin ni Chef Lola
Parang
salad to?
ensalada plus tortang talong.
Exactly!
Parang gano'n.
Yun.
Yes! Okay, so ito na. Kailangan natin yung ating small na ihawan. Ilabas na natin.
All na yan.
Mouse hair! Mouse hair! Mainit na ba yan, mouse hair?
Powered by Echo Uling.
Oh,
Yes! Courtesy by Aya. Aya can't come today. Busy siya. He should yata. Pero we're one of the first supporters ng Echo Uling niya, which we use. And maganda sa Echo Uling na yan, hindi siya masyadong mausok and it's sustainable. Di siya gawa sa puno. Alright. So, one of the ingredients aside sa eggplant, ang kailangan gawin sa eggplant is ihawin nyo para mag-char yung balat. And after mag-char yung balat, babalatan nyo, ito na itsura niya.
Yan.
O, diba? So, ang gagawin dito is, I'm gonna slice it mga an inch. Yan. Kasi ang poke, actually, who's familiar sa poke ng Hawaiian cuisine? Yung tuna poke. Nakakain na kayo nun? Yung mga poke.
Okay.
They call it poke because in Hawaiian, it means cut, chop. In Ilocano, it's actually yung poke, it means press or parang minamash. Ganun ang pag Ilocano ka. So, I'm not sure kung nakuha ng Ilocano sa Hawaii yung poke or the other way around. Kasi di ba daming Ilocano sa Hawaii?
Yes.
Di ba? Feeling ko nakuha ng mga Hawaiian sa atin yun. Poke na term. Inaangkin ko na. Okay.
Ang kinin natin yun.
So I'm just gonna slice this. each. Okay. And then, another ingredient, the poke-poke, tomatoes, kamatis. So, gagawin ko lang dito is I'm gonna take out yung core niya. Yung parang, yung matigas na. And then I'm just gonna slice it in rounds. Yeah. Right. Very simple lang to dish na to. Usually, ginagawa lang nila, ginigisa lang nila yung onions, garlic, kamatis, and then ihahalo nila yung roasted na eggplant. Tapos, nalagyan nila ng kamatis, sa scramble nila, that's it. Pero, syempre, sabi ko si Chef, kaya natin itong style na to. So, I'm gonna just season this with salt. And a little pepper. Ayan. And then I'm gonna put also a little bit of oil. Ayan. Rub it. Both sides. And then ipapatok. Uy! So grilled poke-poke.
Very nice.
Pababa ng pababa yung mic. Sumasakit na yung lit.
Pababa na pababa yung mic.
Sumasakit na yung likod ko eh. Astas ko na konti. So, tomatoes, i-grill natin. And then, ano rin? Onions. Poke-poke has onions. So, ganun din. So, slice natin siya around. Diba? Very simple lang to. Ngayon, kung wala kayong ihawan sa bahay, you can just use your
pan.
And you can grill it on the pan. No problem.
Make sure very hot, no?
Very hot dapat. Ito, sobrang init. Yeah, and then again, salt, pepper. And then a little bit of oil. Same ng ating tomatoes. Yeah. Yes.
Need itself or they pair it with something when they
Usually, mga Ilocano, well, not Ilocano, pero this is actually, since scrambled siya, you would think, it's actually a dish by itself.
Oh, smells good.
Diba? Yeah. First time?
First time.
Kasi actually, hindi nga allowed mag-iyaw dito kasi baka masunog yung buong bahay. Pero, ano naman this is a very compact, okay, so habang nag-grill to, syempre, another key ingredient ng poke-poke is of course the eggs. So, magsa-scramble tayo ng eggs. So, I'm using oil. Usually, when it's a scrambled eggs tayo, butter ginagamit. Pero I'm gonna use oil pa rin. Kasi I'm gonna do something dito sa scrambled eggs na I'm sure baka hindi nyo pa nakikita. Diba? First time. Kasi kahit ako hindi ko pa nakikita rin.
Ngayon lang ito ginagawa.
Iisip ko lang to. Ngayon ko lang gagawin to for the first time.
Yes.
And I'll pray na sana it'll work. Okay? So, you heat your pan. Okay.
Let me just try.
Sabi ni boss, dito daw kasi mas malaki. Okay, sige. Mas hindi. Kaya, okay, so, isa-scramble lang natin, very simple. You can put a little bit of salt. A bit of pepper. Ayan. And while I'm doing this, syempre hindi na natin iintayin yung ating pork kasi it'll take 3 hours.
Yes.
Meron tayong finished product. So, pwede ipakita ngayon yung finished product.
Yes.
The umami.
The umami lechon.
Yeah, I think everyone is excited with that.
Yes.
Yes.
Siguro dapat maglagay tayo malit na table dito sa gitna para ilagay natin doon so they can take pictures of it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at that. Perfection.
Ayan!
Yes.
Palapalo natin ating umami lechon.
Should I? Pa-picture muna, okay.
Or tagalin mo na yung tali. Tagal na ba? Natali. Ayan. Oh. Siguro, kuha tayo sa tip.
Tayo muna ako. Yes, from Australia to Manila. Yeah.
And you guys are the very first to taste this.
You are the very first to taste this.
Here in the Philippines, and it will be available in Guevara's Buffet starting today.
Yes!
Starting today,
From today until forever.
Until
gawin niyo itong gawin niyo itong in demand para nasa Guevara.
Yes.
nasa Guevara's
Next
menu.
table. Alright, sige. Lagay muna natin dito, Chef Princess, habang nag-aapang table. Okay, so, poke-poke, it won't be poke-poke if hindi walang eggs. So, let's scramble the eggs. Yeah, so whenever I scramble the eggs, kailangan i-mix mo siya palagi. Diba? Gusto ko yung heat ko sa scrambled eggs, not low heat. Si Gordon gusto niya low heat.
Yeah.
Ako mas gusto ko medyo medium heat para mas mabilis yung luto. And that's it. That's how fast you cook the scrambled eggs. Ngayon, ito yung gagawin ko for the first time na never ko pa nagawa. And I'm really hoping that this will work. And I cannot do this without the NutriBullet. Okay. So, ano bang NutriBullet pa yung gagawin ko dito? Ito na lang. Yes. Dami natin NutriBullet, hindi ko na kung gagawin.
Thank you, Nutri.
Thank you, NutriBullet.
Yes. So, ang tanong, ba't ko gagawin ko yung NutriBullet? Ano gagawin ko dito? Watch. So, isip ko, since I'm gonna do a grilled poke-poke salad, ano bang meron ng lahat ng salad? Kailangan ng salad.
Dressing.
Dressing.
Exactly!
So that's the dressing.
Yes!
Nice.
Hindi ko alam kung may dressing ko.
Guy, but it's taking poke to the next level. Chef,
Yes! It's a super poke.
Super okay. Gusto mo ibigkasin yun, chef, ha?
It's so
Super okay.
I like it. Okay. One of the secret key ingredients ng poke is, what's this? Pag inamoy mo, it reminds
Uy.
you of something.
Yes.
patis.
Close.
Vinegar.
Yes!
Bagoong.
Bagoong. But what kind?
Alamang.
Isda.
Isda! Yes!
Yes.
Isda, alamang. Yes. So, yung traditional poke, ayan na yung ating table. Yung traditional poke sa Ilocos, they add bagoong na isda. Yun yung pampalasa nila. Yun yung parang instead of just salt, nilalagyan nila ng bagoong isda. So, I'm gonna put a little bit. Yun. And then since maalat na yung bagoong, hindi ko na nalagyan ng salt, pepper na lang. I'm also gonna put garlic. Kasi usually ang poke-poke, nagigisa ka ng garlic and onions. So yung garlic na nandito. So basically, lahat ng ingredients ng poke-poke nandito, pero ginawa ko lang siyang grilled salad. Ayan. So I'm just putting 3 cloves. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. And then, ito na. Yung kinakabahan ako.
That's how true.
Scrambled egg dressing. Yan. Ayan natin yung tsura niya. Mukha siyang scrambled egg.
Yun. Parang siya naging tofu. Yan.
Ayan, thickness niya.
Sino malakas? Yun.
Kasi I created a vacuum.
Mainit. Yes.
Yeah, wow.
Yun. Para siya naging carbonara.
Oo. I think it needs a bit more oil.
Oil.
Okay, season na. Gusto yung ating ano? Okay, so maybe Chef Princess,
Yes.
what you can do is maybe
Cut
have
some.
a slice.
Yeah.
Kasi nalala nyo, yung winning champion lechon ni Chef Princess, inihaw niya sa lechon. Inihaw niya sa uling.
Yes, and we will finish off the charcoal.
Yes, which we have here. I think okay na to. You can put it here. Alright. So, we will finish yung ni-roast ni Chef Princess dito sa uling to give it a nice charcoal flavor. Pero, bago natin hatiin, gusto nyo bang picturean siyang buo muna?
Yeah.
Yes, sige. Tanggalin mo natin yung mga tali, if you can. And then, pa-picture mo natin sa ating friends. Ayan. And then, after yung picture, iano ni Chef Princess dito. This looks absolutely fantastic, by the way.
Yes. Perfect shape.
Oo, galing. Perfect shape because binuhusan siya ng mainit na tubig. Diba? And then, perfect shape because Mang Jose! Isel pa yung konting water.
Chef Princess, while you are doing that, I have a curious question kasi syempre you have catered to several celebrities already.
Yes.
Sino ang favorite mo na naging client?
Siguro dalawa. Isa si Coldplay.
Coldplay?
Yes.
I love Coldplay.
Yeah, because they are very healthy and they really promote sustainability, which is really good sa Australia.
Oh, okay.
Paano siya naging sustainability?
Ano yung favorite nilang kainin na sustainable?
They really like seafood at saka vegetables.
Seafood.
And to give you something new, alam mo ba nung nagkaroon sila ng concert, they don't allow any plastic.
Oh,
They don't
wow.
allow any plastic sa stadium. So
Wow.
everything should be a recycled papers, yes, sustainable packaging,
Wow!
sustainable food,
Kasi even yung ticket nyo, dapat.
yes, paper.
Sustainable paper.
Everything is, yes. Even yung light, yung LED na nasa bracelet, they are all sustainable.
Yeah, kasi diba they are collecting it after, no?
Yes.
Even sila pinag-
Okay, so this is, would you like to pass around?
So guys, picture niyo siya muna. Kasi isa slice na ni Chef Princess yung because we're about to finish and plate. And then after us, yung dessert naman ni Chef Mark.
Alright, once again, Chef Princess,
Palakpakan natin!
Umami Lechon.
Yes! So Chef Princess,
Yeah.
you can put on the table para hindi ka na nangangalay.
Okay.
Yes. Alright. Okay, so finish ko na yung aking poke-poke dressing made from the scrambled eggs. Dinagdagan ko na siya ng konting water para mag-loosen up. And then, nag-grill na rin namin yung mga vegetables. Yung talong, pwede rin natin sa amin. Nahimay na rin siya. Ayan. So, guys, kung tapos na kayo mag-picture,
Sa slice na. Maybe you can slice from the end.
Okay.
Huwag sa gitna para they can still take pictures of it. Siguro mga three slices.
Wait na.
Sige.
I'm excited to hear the sounds, di ba?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Crunch.
Ito pwede rin.
Ayun no, tutunog-tunog na.
Ito, tatapat ko yung mic bago ihiwain ni Chef.
Ooh.
Okay, matalas na yung kutsilyo.
Sige.
Okay.
Holy.
Reaction.
Wow, look at that.
So,
And you can see
color red talaga siya.
pinkish reddish. Hindi dahil hilaw siya, it's because of the pink salt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is really nice kasi ang tipis ng baboy. Look at that.
Wow!
Titikim na si Chef lang.
Wow! That is super crunchy. It's really crunchy.
And everyone will be able to taste this for the very first time here, ha?
That is beautiful.
Perfect.
Nakita nyo, super crunchy, but yung meat niya moist and juicy pa rin, and full of umami flavors.
And you can tell na malambot yung meat, Chef, no? Kasi
Okay, so ito na.
That's good.
So ito na gagawin natin. Since tapos na yung ni Sir Princess, tapos na rin yung aking grilled poke-poke, we're gonna plate it together.
Yes.
Diba? Okay.
Yeah, that is good.
Tingin ng spoon.
Spoon, please. Kunin mo sa
Pero gusto ko tikman muna itong dressing.
kunin lang natin, Chef, nung so that they can see the whole baking.
Yes. So tikman ko muna itong aking poke dressing. Kumusta na siya?
Usok-usok pa.
Ang sarap niya kasi garlicky, nandun yung egg, and then nandun yung nagpapaalat sa kanya na bagong biscuit. Interesting.
Interesting. Umami din siya, Chef.
Very umami. Okay. Dito lang yung spoon. Okay, so ipapake na natin. Okay, I'm gonna start with, saan yung talong kanina? Yung inihaw ng talong? Hindi, yung isang talong kanina. Nasa grill.
Okay, yung
Gamitin na natin yun. Okay. Abilis.
Do I meet you?
So,
Depende na lang.
okay, sige. So, this is what we'll do. So, talong. Ito yung ihaw. We're gonna do a linear style plating. When you say linear, it's like nakalinya.
Linear.
Linear. Nakalinya. Diba? Ayan. Ayan yung talong, okay?
Yeah.
And then, sipa na iyaw na siya, huwag tayo nagkaroon. Wow, kaya mo kamay niyan? Grabe.
Mainit nga eh.
Si Chef Princess, hindi na siya champion. Meron pa siyang hands of steel.
Superpowers.
I work at Marvel Stadium.
Yeah.
I am the power of the universe.
Super
Yes! Galing, galing.